Welcome back to Reality, and today we're diving into a topic that's not just important for self-improvement, but also for your overall well-being. It's all about trust, and why you should be careful about who you place your trust in. So, grab your notepad, hit that like button, and let's get started. Trust is a powerful thing, isn't it? It's the glue that holds our relationships together, whether they're personal or professional. But here's the thing. Sometimes the people we trust the most can hurt us the most. Why does this happen? Well, let's break it down. Trust involves vulnerability. When you trust someone, you open yourself up to them. You give them access to your feelings, your thoughts, and sometimes, your secrets. It's like handing them a piece of your heart. We often have certain expectations when we trust someone. We expect them to be honest, loyal, and caring. But reality doesn't always align with our expectations, and that's where things can go wrong. Now, not all trust is the same. There are different types of trust that we place in different people. Let's explore this a bit. Blind trust is when you trust someone without any reason or evidence to support it. You simply give them the benefit of the doubt. It's like jumping into a pool without knowing if there's water in it. Earned trust, on the other hand, is built over time. It's based on a person's actions and consistency. You trust them because they've proven themselves trustworthy. Conditional trust is somewhere in between. It's like saying, I trust you to a certain extent, but I need you to meet certain conditions or boundaries. It's like setting ground rules in a relationship. Now let's talk about why people who we thought we could trust sometimes hurt us. Sometimes people betray trust because they have personal motives. Maybe they want to gain something from it, like money, power, or even just a momentary thrill. Fear and insecurity can also drive people to betray trust. They might be afraid of losing something or someone, so they make decisions that they believe will protect them, even if it means betraying your trust. Miscommunication can be a silent trust breaker. Sometimes people betray trust because of misunderstandings or lack of clear communication. It's crucial to keep those lines open. So how can you protect your trust without becoming overly suspicious? Let's find out. One way to protect your trust is by setting clear boundaries. It's not about building walls, but establishing healthy limits that ensure your trust isn't taken for granted. Effective communication is key. Talk openly with the people you trust and let them know your expectations. This way, you're on the same page, reducing the chances of misunderstandings. Lastly, trust your gut feeling. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Your intuition can be a valuable tool in protecting your trust. In conclusion, trust is a beautiful thing that makes our relationships stronger and more meaningful. But remember, it's also fragile. Be careful who you place your trust in. But don't let past betrayals close you off from future connections. Thank you for joining me today on Reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Remember, it's not about living in fear, but about making informed choices when it comes to trust. Stay empowered, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.